In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're focusing on using Google Meet's built-in tools to create a live transcript of your meeting so you can capture accurate notes, make your sessions more accessible, and follow up with confidence afterward. First, head to Google Meet. You can do this in any modern browser or through the mobile or desktop app. Join an existing meeting or start a new one, and make sure you're signed in with the account you intend to use during the call. If you're the organizer or a co-host, you'll have the clearest access to meeting features. Before you begin, it's a good idea to check your microphone and internet connection so the transcript captures your words clearly. Once you're in the meeting, open the Meeting Tools menu. Depending on your interface, this may appear as a small menu icon or a section labeled Meeting Tools near the bottom of the screen. This is where Google bundles helpful features designed to enhance your session, including the option to generate a live transcript. Now, an important note. The transcribe feature is available only with eligible paid Google Workspace plans. If you don't see transcribe in Meeting Tools, your account may not include it, or your organization's admin may have restricted access. In that case, you'll need to use a Workspace plan that supports Meet transcriptions or ask your admin to enable the feature. This requirement helps ensure that the transcription service meets enterprise privacy and compliance standards. If you have access, go ahead and select Transcribe inside Meeting Tools. You may see a quick confirmation or a prompt to choose the meeting language. Confirm to start. Everyone in the meeting will receive a notification that transcription is on, which is important for transparency. From here, just speak naturally. Meet will capture spoken words and attribute them to speakers when possible, helping you review who said what later on. As you continue, try to speak clearly and avoid talking over others to improve accuracy. If someone is joining from a noisy environment, encouraging them to mute when not speaking will make the transcript cleaner. When you're done, simply stop the transcription or end the meeting. Google Meet will save the transcript to your account according to your organization's settings, typically in Google Drive, and it may also send a copy to the organizer by email. That's it. You've gone to Google Meet, opened Meeting Tools, confirmed the premium access requirement, and started a live transcription. With these steps, you'll have reliable notes ready to share, search, and reference after your meeting.